Hey there, how are you everybody? It's Michelle Ray and we are back to the Attic Addicts. I just wanted to say hey, and I just had the best time filming that video all about garage sailing, and I have another one in editing right now. So I'm so excited to show you guys that one too. Excuse me, but we're learning how to do this YouTube thing, and there was a chunk of time in the last video that was the part where I was showing you guys what I got actually from the garage sale. So I decided to shoot a prelude to it and say this is a continuation of my first garage sailing video, because I really wanted to show you guys what I got, and I was so excited because as soon as I listed a couple of those items, they sold within hours. And when you see the video, you'll understand why I was really excited about that. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the continuation of my last video, and you get to see what I got and my favorite item, which literally sold in 2 hours on my Poshmark. So I was excited. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Okay, so let me get to some of the things that I found today that I love and why I love them. So I found that cute little white Gap bag I told you at the estate sale. Sometimes you go into these estate sales and it's just so overwhelming for me because I'm looking for handbags, I'm looking for shoes, I'm looking for coats, I'm looking for those kinds of things. And usually there's like knickknacks and beautiful paintings and all of that stuff that I don't know about yet, but I'm hoping to learn. So this is what I ended up with. I have a huge, I'm not even gonna show you, it's a huge pile of stuff. And I ended up getting some beautiful stuff that I really love from the Avenue Body. Now, I love jammy sets. I love the Avenue. I think they have such cute little pajamas with nice little, cording on it. And they're super comfy. And I just love it. So yeah, I ended up getting quite a few pieces today from the Avenue, and I'm really excited. I do very well with the Avenue, and this is one of my, oh, it smells so good. I always wash all my stuff and it smells so good after I get it, and I have to do a video on that because I think it's so important. Oh, this smells so good. It's nice to open a package from someone and just have it smell clean, right? So here's the bag I found. I love this bag. I couldn't believe it. Yeah. Brand new with tags. And it has like a cute little sheen to it, which I like. So it's kind of like it's a beige. And it has a little like, yeah, it's like a little sheen to it. So that was a really good deal. And I got a couple of men's pants. Now, like I said, I predominantly sell on Poshmark right now. And my men's closet is coming along. I ran into these two beautiful, thick, cozy pants for men. And they were a larger size. They were a 2XL. I love getting anything like 2XL. I love those sizings because they're so popular. And these were so cute and so cozy. I got these for $2. And I actually bought them in this beautiful maroon. And I bought them in this beautiful mustard. And they're so thick and such nice quality. And I wanted to say something. I do really look for brands. I do think that the brands are really important. However, I'm going to show you a couple of things that I really love, and they're not a brand. They're not maybe someone that you've heard of. And if you are watching this and you're a seller, I just want to say, trust yourself. Trust yourself to pick out things that you like. I mean, I can't always shop like that all the time, because the reality is some of the stuff that I like might not be the most popular thing selling. And, I'm making a living here too. So I have to balance it out with things that are practical and things that I like. So let me show you these two beautiful sweaters that I got. And I actually put them up in my closet, and it's so fun to get little nibbles when you put stuff up. You're like, oh my God, I'm doing the right thing. Yay. So this is an example of something that, it's not a name brand. I bought two of them, Ava and Viv. I haven't heard of them, but it's like, they're these beautiful like chenille long, cozy cardigans. And cardigans are doing really well for me right now. Again, thinking about colder weather, getting cuddly and snuggling up. So this is just beautiful. And it's got really cute, like little short sleeves that roll up, and it's black and white. And I fell in love with it. I ended up getting this for $1 because I bought two. And the other one I bought is just as beautiful. And again, it's not a name brand, but I'll probably put it up and get, 15, I hope to get for it, 12, 15. And again, this is the same one, and it's beige and cream, and it's so soft and so nice, and again, smells so good. I love cozy sweaters that are soft and they smell good. So that's that. Excuse me. I want to show you my final thing that I bought that I really, really love so much, because this video is going on for a while. And this is going to be going up in my store probably tonight. It'll be up by the time you guys see this, but I love it. And again, it is just like something I stumbled upon, and I just think it's really beautiful, and I had to have it. Okay, this is a brand called Sport Savvy. I've never heard of them before, but I absolutely fell in love with this three-piece ensemble. It's beautiful. It's like this gorgeous green velvet, and it's so, can you see it? It's so soft and beautiful. And at the bottom of it, it's got a little sheer piece. So it's basically like, a sheath. It's so cute. I absolutely loved it. And I thought to myself, for the holidays, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is a 3X. Now, what was really cool about this was that this was a three-piecer, which I thought was so smart. So you have this beautiful velvet top, but it also comes with two extra pieces. It comes with a great pair of straight-legged bolero comfy pants that you could wear with the beautiful top. And it also comes with a skirt. And I just thought that was the coolest thing, because here's a skirt. So you can wear the top with the skirt or the pants. And it's so smart, and it's so chic and so pretty for the holidays coming up, and so comfortable and in perfect condition. So for me, again, I got this not because it was a name brand, but because I can imagine a beautiful woman wearing this and just feeling just wonderful about the way they look. I could tell by when I touched it. I know that sounds a little hippy dippy, but yeah, out of everything I sourced, this outfit, this ensemble was my favorite. And it was $3. It was $1 a piece. I know. Sometimes I get home and I'm like, what? What did I spend today? So anyways, you guys, that is my recommendation for how to get out there and to garage sale. And like I said, get organized, get everything together. Make sure you have, a printout of your map of your neighborhood. Look for areas that you really love that have, beautiful homes and things like that. Those are the greatest places to go garage sailing. And just have fun. It's just taking your time and zipping around. And we always stop and get a coffee, and then I eat when I'm, I told you, like, I just eat all kinds of stuff I'm not supposed to eat. But for some reason, if it's garage sailing day, it's okay for me. Anyway, if you guys like what you see and you're enjoying this content, please do me a favor and subscribe, hit the like button, because I'm so excited to share with you guys a little bit more about my life, stuff outside of the Attic Addicts, how to save money, my Poshmark store, and generally just how to be more frugal. And yeah, and feel good about it, because it feels good to save money, don't it? Until next time, guys, thanks for spending time with me. I'm always grateful. Be well, take care, and of course, peace out. So did you guys enjoy it? Did you enjoy checking out what I found at my garage sales? If you did, please click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, because I just had the best time doing these videos about the garage selling with you guys, and I would love to hear what you guys want to see. And most importantly, what's your favorite thing that you have ever gotten on a garage sale? I would love to hear it. And I also want to say a shout out to some of my friends who are watching me. Oh my gosh, Angela, and gosh, who else? Samir and Candace. So thanks guys for tuning in, and I cannot wait to show you the next exciting video. So take care, be well, click the subscribe button, and peace out.